Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question which is from KVPY contest of India, a question from 2002. We have to find the sum of up to nth term of this expression. So how to do it? Let's start it. If you want to solve, pause the video, otherwise keep watching. So first we'll solve one by one term and see if we can do some simplification. So we'll take first term, then second term, and we'll then solve or evaluate for the nth term by observing some kind of pattern. So let's start. So what I can do for this 1 into 1 factorial, I can write this as 2 minus 1 into 1 factorial, which is equals to 2 into 1 factorial minus 1 factorial, and this is equals to 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. Similarly, 2 into 2 factorial can be written as 3 minus 1 into 2 factorial, which is equals to 3 into 2 factorial minus 2 factorial is equals to 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. Then 3 into 3 factorial is equals to, I can write 4 minus 1 as 3, and then 3 factorial, which is equals to 4 into 3 factorial minus 3 factorial, and 4 into 3 factorial is 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. So you can see here there is a pattern in these terms. So observing this pattern, I can say that the last term or nth term must be like this: n into n factorial must be equals to, so you see here n plus 1, or I can see n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial, which must be n plus 1 into n factorial minus n factorial, which is equals to n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So now I can replace this term as, first term I can replace as you can see, this is equals to 2 minus 1. So this term is equals to 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. Then this term is equals to 3 factorial minus 2 factorial, and this one is 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, and so on. And the last one is n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So if you observe here, you will see that some terms will cancel, like this 2 will cancel, 3 will cancel, 4 will cancel somewhere. So all these terms will cancel each other. Finally, only two term will left: n plus 1 factorial minus 1 factorial, which will be our result. Thank you for watching. See you next time.